Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we go about creating a share on our Windows network. The idea of creating a network share is so that we can place something inside of that share and individuals will be able to access it remotely from anywhere on our network. So let's see how we go about doing this. Let's begin by opening up File Explorer, and we're going to go down here to this PC. And I'm going to currently see what shares are available by just typing in // localhost. I'll hit enter. And currently there are no shares available on this server that individuals can access. That's fine. We're going to go ahead and create one. Now to do this, I'm going to go ahead and place the share on the root of my C drive. So I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this admin share. It's not uncommon to have an admin share on the network, where the administrator can place tools, software, ISO images, flats of software that is normally going to be installed on some machine remotely inside of this share that individuals can have ready access to anywhere on the network. So that's what we're going to do here. So I've created this share, I called it admin, and now I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to go to properties. Now there's two tabs in here you want to be concerned with. The first one is the sharing tab, and the other one is the security tab. They both work together, and I'll show you how that works. To begin this process of creating this network share, we've already created the folder. That's step one. Step two is to right click and go to properties, and you have two tabs in here you need to concern yourself with. The first one is the sharing tab, and the second one is the security tab. Now these two tabs work together, and let's see how that happens. First thing, let's click on the sharing tab and let's just share out this folder. I want the administrators group, that is to say anybody inside of the administrators group, to have access to this shared folder on the network. I'm going to go ahead and select share. Now that file, that folder has been shared out. The next thing we want to do is make sure that only the administrators group, have access to this network share. We don't want anybody else being able to get in here and have access to what I'm going to place in here for the administrators. And we can see that only they, that is to say the administrators, are currently in, and this is called the ACL, the Access Control List, for this particular shared folder. And we see that they have been given full control, so we're good to go. Go ahead and close that out. And now when I go to see what shares are available on my local host, I see that the admin share is available. So let's see if I can access it remotely. So I'm currently a member of the administrators group, so I shouldn't have any problem. So let's go over to my DC1, close out the server manager, I don't need that. And let's just bring up a run line and see if we can access that share on my file server. So I'm going to hold down the Windows key, press R, and now I'm just going to type in / file server. That is the name of my file server that's currently on the network. I'll hit OK, and now we see that the admin share is available. So anything I put in here, the administrator and the administrators group and those individuals that belong to that group will have access to it without any issue. This process of creating a network share is the same for Server 2012, 2016, and 2019 regardless. And that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about creating a share on our Windows network. So if you have any questions or concerns about anything that was covered in this short video presentation, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.